Does it resonate on the ground? Do you think that's going to have an impact?
Yes, it impacts more because Jagan Mohan Reddy and his father, late Chief Minister Dr. Y.S. Rajshekar Reddy, is the only Chief Minister who gave 4% quota for the minorities. And one more thing, now these TDP people and they are, forcing and they are just proposing fake propaganda that we haven't done anything to the minorities. So if you look into the Chief Minister's cabinet, one of the deputy Chief Minister is from the minority. So it is very clear that people are one-sided. They want to elect Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy again. So we just compare the manifesto with both the parties. So in 2014, where Babu has told that whoever is not unemployed, so we'll be giving 3,000 rupees or somewhere around 2,000 rupees as a scheme called Nirudyoga Bhriti. And he told even the farmers, so we'll be giving all the money and we'll be removing all the Runamafi. But he haven't done that also. Where Jagan Mohan Reddy, he told that in manifesto that he'll be giving YSR Asra Raitu Bharosa, where he is supporting farmers and the students, everyone. He has fulfilled all the promises.
But
and
what about capital? What about job creation?
Yes.
These issues are also something that the public is talking about. How do you resonate with them?
Just think, even yesterday also, Telugu Desam Party Member of Parliament candidate, Mr. Bharat also told that, so we don't have enough budget. So where our budget is somewhere around 60,000 crore or 70,000 crore. So this is only allocated only for this, manifesto to fulfill the people. But where to build the new manifesto here in Amaravati, we don't have anything. We don't have that fund also. Then where we have to bring from? And what they have promised now is Super 6. Super 6 where we have to bring somewhere, the budget is around 1,20,000 crore. Where our budget is just 60,000 crore. But from where you will be bringing? So this is something you're manipulating the people and you're giving fake promises.
All right.